How to fix iPhone battery. Drain on iOS 18.4. In this video, I'll walk you through several quick and easy settings changes that can help extend your battery life in seconds. Let's dive in. Let's start with some basic changes in your battery settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Battery. At the top, turn on the Low Power Mode toggle. This will reduce background activity and lower the power usage when your battery is low. Next, let's move to Optimize Battery Charging. Tap Charging and turn on Optimize Battery Charging. This feature helps preserve your battery's health by reducing the amount of time your iPhone spends fully charged, preventing long-term damage. The next trick is adjusting your screen's brightness to save power. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then under the Vision section, tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll to the bottom and turn on Auto Brightness. This ensures your screen doesn't use full brightness unnecessarily, saving you a lot of power throughout the day. Now, let's make your iPhone a little smoother and more power efficient by reducing motion. Open Settings again, tap Accessibility, and under Vision, tap on Motion. Turn on the Reduce Motion toggle. This reduces the animations that can use extra energy, and it also makes your iPhone feel faster. Next, let's turn off haptic feedback, which also drains battery. Go to Settings and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Look for the keyboard feedback option and tap on it. Turn off haptic feedback. Then, go back and turn off the System Haptics toggle as well. This will save a little extra battery by disabling vibrations and other haptic functions. Let's move on to Privacy Settings to save even more battery. Open Settings and scroll down to tap on Privacy and Security. Tap Tracking and turn off all toggles for apps that are tracking you. Then, scroll down to Analytics and Improvements and turn off all the toggles here as well. These background activities can really drain your battery over time. Lastly, let's stop the always-on display wallpaper from draining your battery. Open Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down and find the always-on display option. Tap it, and under the Customize section, toggle off Show Wallpaper. This way, your wallpaper won't appear when your iPhone is locked, saving you more power. And there you have it. These simple changes should help your iPhone's battery last much longer. Which tip worked best for you? Comment battery if you've noticed an improvement, and don't forget to like and follow for more iPhone tips.